As I was saying, I'm a funded trader of Audacity Capital. So now I'm just trading. It's basically the end of the day. I just have one position, Euro NSD. It's a sell position, so here it seems choppy, and we are in a downtrend, and the projection is basically here. So what I'm looking for is a confirmation of RSI, MACD, and the price, seeing here, lower high, probably is going to break here, and then after I will close partial position, probably to 0.3 and to 0. I will close 0.2 cent in order to secure some profit. And while the position is going in profit, I will lower this stop loss till reaching break even and then trading stop. After doing this, I will look at other positions and see here we are in downtrend, here we are in downtrend, here we are in, it seems a uptrend, but as we can see here, is probably going to design what I'm calling mirror image. It's like this, okay? So here it should be good once this position is going in profit to sell. Okay, and you can find below this video links, and if you subscribe or purchase this coaching, you will find plenty of strategy to adapt to different markets. It's not this template I'm using. This is a proprietary strategy, you know, inspired by my mentor and other successful traders. For example, some trading, I've been trading since 2010, so it's a quite plan. So here I'm a funded trader. It's here it is Audacity FX Capital. It's 15,000, starting with 15,000. I'm now 15,470. Once I reach the 10%, they split 50 and 50 to profit and double the account. Okay. So for today is all. It's just a brief introduction. I will post further other videos the next days. It's just a try. I never record myself trading, so it's just a try in order to add more value to the channel. Okay. So here's all. Remember to subscribe to johnvianney.com in order to learn new strategy to make money online, including trading.